Hey everyone, David Sod here from Skyjems.ca. Thank you all so much for joining me. I'm going to give you a quick look at the pairs lot that we have here. I have a lot of pictures for you. There's also the description, but I wanted to give you a quick look at this on video as well. So I'm just going to go through these fairly quickly. So first off, this is the pair of 8x6 pink Tourmaline. Alright, this is an actual pair out of the lot, and this is how it will come to you in a bag like this. Beautiful stones, clean, nice color to them. Next up, we have this lovely pair of garnet, concave cut. These are coming from Mozambique. Gorgeous stones. These are set up incredibly well. Take a look at that. These make beautiful earrings. Absolutely stunning. And this is what they look like when you get them in your lot. There you go. Now for your third pair. This is pair number 3. This is Rhodolite garnet. This is a beautiful pair of 9x7 Rhodolite garnet. These are also from Mozambique. Both the pairs of garnet are from Mozambique. And this is how they come to you in this nice bag here. Now, I've noted the MSRP, manufacturer's suggested retail price, on the website. I don't mention it on the bags because I know that some people want to just sell directly out of these bags and don't want the MSRP on it because they want to charge more or less. How much you charge your customers is absolutely none of my business. Now on to these amethysts. These are, beautiful stones, cheap and cheerful. You get to make a pair of these, and I mean, really, you could, even though these are one of the cheaper pairs of stones in the lot, these should actually bring you a good chunk or the entire value of the lot just in these. So, next up, we have these lovely 7mm round citrine. Absolutely beautiful stones. This came out of a lot that I purchased a little bit ago. Beautiful manufacturing lot, and I missed it with the amethyst, but this is what the citrine packages look like, so that's what that's going to look like when you get it. Alright, now on to number 6. This is the 8x6mm faceted opals. Beautiful stones. You can see all of them have fire in them. Take a look at that. They you can't see it too well in a lot of the pictures and whatnot because the stones are crystal opals and you can see right through them. Next up, we have these beautiful, and this is how they come. Next up, we have these beautiful 7x5mm oval aquamarine. These are probably one of the best values you get in the whole lot. These and the pink tourmalines. This and the pink tourmaline, either or, should pay for the entire parcel. They're quite nice stones, as you can see in both the pictures and the video. It's nice quality aquamarine. And this is what the bag looks like when you get it. Just like that. Next up, number 8 on the list is this pair of 7x5 emerald cut heliodor. Super bright material. The color of my skin is not too far from the color of the stones, so you can see these here. Beautiful stones. This is how it comes. There you go. Fine pairs lot, 7x5 emerald cut heliodor. Beautiful, beautiful stones, and these set up incredibly well. And next up, we have this pair of emeralds from Zambia. Lovely stones. Take a look at that. Bright, nice color to them. Clean stones. These impress most people who see them. Take a look at that. Nice material. And here we go. Here is what the stones come to you looking like. And last but not least, I have these absolutely stunning, take a look at these, gorgeous 8x6mm cushion cut amethyst, and this is the last bag. This is bag number 10, pair number 10, and this is how they come to you in a bag like this. Alrighty, thank you all so much for watching. Have yourself a great day, and don't forget to tell your friends about skygems.ca. Bye for now.